I'm starting with a bag of, this is the Betty Crocker, which they did a poll and they found that Betty Crocker made the best sugar cookie dough that comes mixed in the bag. I don't know if you have a preferred one, but I've got 2 eggs in here, and this is 1 stick of softened butter. Mix all of that together. Now the bag says to only add 1 egg, but I'm adding a 2nd egg because that's my little kitchen hack on how to make like softer gooey cookies rather than the crispy ones. Okay, once the butter has been combined with the eggs, I'm gonna bring in a smaller bowl. I know you guys love these bowls. So pretty. And I'm just gonna put half in a separate bowl. And then on half of this, I'm gonna add this berry blue Jello. I'm only gonna use half of a 3-ounce box. You can use the other half to just make, you know, some Jello on your own. And then for this one, I've got the cherry one. We're just gonna do half of that in that box as well. And just mix both of these. You can add like 1 or 2 drops of food coloring if you'd like to make it darker. Just like you can tell on this one, this is what it looked like with the Jello, and I added just 1 or 2 drops of red food coloring just to make it a little more red. Once that is all put together, I'll set these to the side and bring in my cookie sheet. I love this cookie sheet. You guys comment on it all the time, every time I use it. So, get a little scoop. There. Just good ones. So pretty. Okay. For the blue ones, we're gonna get these little white chocolate chips. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of, this is just straight old granulated sugar, and just sprinkle it on top of all the cookies. Then this is gonna go into a 350-degree oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. Look at how they kind of spread out into nice little squares. Obviously, if you want them to be circles, just chill your dough ahead of time. And go ahead and I'm just gonna transfer them onto a plate. These are very soft. Between the Jello and that extra egg, this is a chewy cookie. Filling is super, super easy. Using 1 tub of this whipped cream cheese frosting. That goes right into a bowl. It's really easy to do here in Las Vegas because it is, the Dash said it was 125 degrees today. It's just ridiculous how hot it is. Lightening it up with a little bit of this cheesecake filling. Let's go ahead and put like half. Put some of this filling right on the cookie. Be right on top. And then look, you flip this over. You have these red, white, and blue cookies. They're so yummy. I'm gonna take a bite. The cookies have like a little berry flavor. That cheesecake is so good.